UMLA ka Voice of the People Party uba Alderbert Nongrum lubu ka jingkylli ya ka sarkar halor ka jingkylli ka jingkhalai khwai dohkha ka leng ka jala khamtam ba kane ka jikam khalai ka lakta ru ya kamai ka ji kabai bam jong ki babun kilong jing ki bruna ha ka yok ka kot uba Albert hapapan pau ya kane da ka Wanrah ya ki zero over notice hapo ka ingdorbar men ka snibar habal pan pau ka jing sekhiru hapo ka ingdorbar halor ka jing jak ba je khatn ru tori kunalur Haka baka wai kalong kami ka haban khai khunlung po kali bat la khlat no tang khnget por berkane ka jeng jek la mi tang namar baka kali baka kane kalong kami ka shong la sakut apreng surak hadu lai kanta namar ka jeng don kata masa khalai khwai dohkha balok kidro haka wai ka pung ka badon ha pam pernai une MLA ko VPP la buru ka jingkylli ka sarkar ba hatu ka tip ne ami ka jeng shakta jong ki babun kilong yeng na ka jeng sha man perlong yakum kitai ka jeng khalai khwai dohkha kebahapan siu degi hajar jengka barki ek senjam ke sarkar kelade bensim une mulai galing persya lobu ke jingkylli ke sarkar ayu ke le persya deputy commissioner ke west kasil ubala jengbet ben perlong yakum kita masa khwai dohkha harut surok kebla kta ke yat ke yang pajba ben kumjuru ke sarkar ke le ayu SP ke west kasil ubamla ben penbit penbiang ben pro ben pli gilat klenti ye ke jing jong kate ke jing denggali khamtam ru atin blami dan nila UI kecing ringdur bu wei pulit badan mentah ban sam ru ya kusnam ha kata masa karena kaling sembut menteri nang ba bade kemi ya kampu yang ba presiden song lo kular Wanrah ya kejubab da kejing tho apo ka ingdorbar namar kene kejing Wanrah ka zero over notice kalong klo bekerke berklam yolat ban pengkre ka jubab ulo
while noticeable absent in controlling crowd and vehicle from obstructing the traffic flow on the busy Shillong Nongstoin Highway alongside the fishing competition venue. So it's really a matter of grave concern. I'm raising this issue, which has been featured as a prominent front page news item on a number of local daily newspapers, including Maupor and Nongsain Hima. In yesterday's edition, 18 September 2023. The incident has also been covered by electronic media and videos are online on YouTube with thousands of viewers. Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that Rule 49 does not allow me to make a speech, and so as a responsible legislator, I only request for a statement from the concerned minister in charge on a few important aspects. A. What action is being taken against the DC of West Castles for granting permission to the fishing competition without carrying out responsibility to ensure law and order? And against the SP of West Castles for allowing police personnel to be engaged by organizer in prize distribution while being absent from traffic management and crowd control. B. Whether future events of fishing competition, not just in West Castles, but in other districts as well. I may request the attention of the House. This is very important and very vital for the state at large. Can be put on hold till such time that a proper regulation can be made by legislation, so that no more untoward incident should occur that put a danger to the health and safety of general public. C. Is government apprised of the adverse impact of fishing competition held almost every Saturday on the weekly earning of rural households who are being addictively attracted to prize money of around 50 lakhs in total each event, while having to shell out 2,000 to 3,000 rupees as an, and of which perhaps zero amount goes towards government revenue. So I won't take much of everyone's time, so I wish that I will end up with just very few words. I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Will the minister be able to answer the question, or he may he may lay a statement in the House during the session?
Mr. Speaker, sir, since you just admitted just now, zero notice, so if I may be allowed, I will lay the statement tomorrow, sir.